I think we can all agree that AI is more than capable when it comes to taking on certain tasks for a given job. And I've come to find that this creates a bit of a challenge for folks when they think about their job and how they should partner with AI. And I see this in the classroom as well when we talk about how AI impacts sales and marketing and human resource professionals and developers and creatives, in that people need a bit of a framework to think it through. So what I've come up with is what I call the RISE framework. So R stands for routine. If you have routine tasks in your job, as one person said, you're working a lot with symbols, let's say. You're either doing a lot of writing or working a lot with numbers, or you're writing a lot of code. I think it's fair to say that if AI can't do these jobs now, it will be able to do it in the near future. So those are some things you need to think about giving to AI. Then there's interpretation. So AI can give you great interpretation around, let's say, a set of financial data, or maybe it's analyzing a set of transcripts from sales calls and giving you insights on that. But it lacks a certain amount of judgment and discernment. So this is where humans can step in to say, but is this truly accurate? Can I truly trust this? And there's all kinds of ways to even partner with an AI to determine if what you're seeing is something you can trust. And then we have the issue of strategy. So truth be told, AI platforms can give you all kinds of potential strategic options, and they can be a good thought partner. So what's left? Well, actually owning the decision, because ultimately a human is going to have to go into the boardroom and say, out of all these potential choices, this is the one that we should make. And then that naturally leads to engagement. So when all the tasks are done by AI for all of our jobs, if that's what we get to, what we're going to be left with is to engage with each other and decide what should be done. And we'll predominantly be doing that through verbal means of communication. Because whether you like how AI can write today or not, there's really no argument that it's getting better, and it'll probably get better and better as time moves on. So the domain of written communication might also be given to AI in large part. So you're going to need to have to develop the skills of debate and oral communication and empathetic listening. And all of these things are definitely central to what it means to be human. So that's what I think. If you're thinking about how AI is going to impact your job, think about the RISE framework. Give those tasks that are routine to AI. When it comes to interpretation, realize there's a bit of partnership going on here, and some things should go to AI. And the same thing's true, maybe to a slightly lesser extent when it comes to strategy, but AI definitely has a role to play here. And then definitely focus on your engagement skills. So think about the RISE framework the next time you learn something about AI.